Get in the program. The federal government alone has a program where they set aside 23% of their annual contracting dollars for small businesses. Are you in the program? And if you are in the program, what are you doing within the program? Are you winning contracts? Well, welcome back. This is part 2 of a 4-part video series that I'm doing on marketing your business to win subcontracting opportunities with prime contractors. Now, some of the things I'm sharing throughout this series will definitely work with the government agencies as well. So number 1, get your certifications. You want to make sure you have all relevant certifications that apply to you and your business. So what certifications am I talking about? I'm talking about the small business certification, the woman-owned small business certification, the service disabled veteran-owned small business certification. Also, you have at the federal level the 8A certification as well as the federal hub zone certification. So those are some of the ones that if you're looking to do work with the federal government, you want to make sure you have those certifications if you qualify for those. Now, also, if you're looking at state, county, local contracting opportunities, right, with the government, then you also want to make sure you have your MBE, which is your Minority Business Enterprise Certification, your DBE, which is your Disadvantaged Business Enterprise Certification, as well as your MWBE if you're a woman-owned small business. So you want to make sure you get all the certifications for which you qualify. And also at the state level, you want to make sure you get your state hub certification. So again, you want to make sure you apply for all the certifications for which you qualify that are relevant for your business, meaning 1, you qualify for them, and 2, you need them because you want to focus on state or federal contracts, right? So you want to make sure you have the right certifications for which they recognize. Now, I always say just get them all because you never know when an opportunity may present itself, and you want to make sure you have the opportunity to be able to bid, because if they set it aside for a MBE and you didn't get the certification because you thought you weren't going to do state contracts, well, now you're SOL. So if it's relevant to you, get it. The second thing is you want to make sure you're building relationships. Now, I talk about this all the time. You can't wait until you need a relationship to try to go out there and build it. A lot of times that will not work. So you want to make sure you start building the relationships like right now. Now, again, if you're looking to be a subcontractor, you're looking for these prime contractors, where can you find them? You got to beat your feet to the ground, but where can you find them? So one of the things is your industry conferences. So you can build relationships by going to industry day events, conferences, trade shows, networking events. Think of places where the primes that you want to work with are hanging out. Where are they out networking? You want to be in those same places. Also, if you're looking at building relationships with the government agencies, the buyers as well, you can definitely do this at these places as well. You just have to figure out where are they hanging out, and then that's where you want to be. Now, I know some of you guys, you don't like to get out as much, right? We have a lot of home-based businesses now, which is cool. So I'm going to give you now some things you can do from the comfort of your home or your office. So you can register your business in government databases, right? So you want to get into the various databases where the agencies you are looking at working with are putting out their opportunities. So that's a way for you to also be seen. For one, if you think about sam.gov, okay, the government agencies use that as a marketing tool. So to be registered, you're in the database. Also within the SAM registration, you know, when you do your SAM registration, at the end, they will take you to the small dynamic business search. So if you go there and you put in your information there, that is another place for you to have your business registered and be in the database. And then think of any other databases that are relevant to what you do, your potential clients, your potential primes that you want to work with, and just be on the lookout for subcontracting opportunities. Always be on the lookout. And even as a prime, really, you should always be on the lookout for opportunities and be prepared when you find them. Here's a question for you. Did you know that within large contracts, you may find subcontracting opportunities? And here's what I mean. I know you probably know if you have a particular next code, and I can't think of one off the top of my head because I don't remember them like that, but let's just say you do landscaping. Well, did you know a landscaping contract could be wrapped inside of a construction contract? So my point is, you have to be creative in how you're looking for these subcontracting opportunities, and no, you may not find it up under your NAICS code. It could be wrapped in a different NAICS code. So you have to know how to search and find those subcontracting opportunities, because probably more than likely, there are more subcontracting opportunities out there than you realize. Now, what are you currently doing to find subcontracting opportunities? And then my question is it working? Be clear on what a subcontracting relationship would look like for you. That will help you in spotting opportunities, finding primes to work with, and finding more opportunities to grow your business, increase your cash flow, have more profits coming into your business. Now, nevertheless, when you find these opportunities, the key is to be prepared. Because if you're not prepared and you're not looking, like you're not on the lookout for opportunities, unfortunately, you're gonna miss them. Now, once you find these opportunities, you need to know how to put the bid together. And it starts with the solicitation. You need to be able to understand a solicitation, analyze it, pull out the requirements, and write a responsive proposal. If that's your challenge, then I want to encourage you to grab my free masterclass on how to break down solicitations. And I'll put the link down below, but you can find it over at FeliciaStreeter.com/solicitations. Again, I'll put the link down below for you as well. And then I want to thank you for watching. Please go ahead and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop new trainings right here on the channel. And then remember, you're just one contract away. Bye for now.